let's stay for a moment with Bihar, because remember, this is a state that goes to the elections in a few months from now. But there is a major controversy which has now reached the Supreme Court's doorstep. A controversy over the Election Commission and the manner in which they are going ahead with their voter list revision. At least 6 petitions have been filed against the Election Commission of India's move, which will now be heard by the Supreme Court on Thursday. RJD's Manoj Jha, one of the petitioners in the matter, claims that the move has targeted poor Dalit and Muslim voters. TMC's Mahua Moitra has also filed a similar petition, as have 8 opposition parties now, including Congress, Sena, UBT, Samajwadi Party, NCP, SP and left parties. Activist Yogendra Yadav, in his plea, has called the poll body's move arbitrary, citing risks to marginalized communities. 2 NGOs have also filed a suit in the Supreme Court. On the other hand, the Election Commission is sticking to its guns, claiming that the voter roll revision is working smoothly, with 2.88 crore forms collected already, which covers about 37% of the voters in Bihar. But what is the ground reality? Is this voter revision an attempt to disenfranchise some of the poor and minority voters? We decided to go to the ground. This is what we found out. Take a look.
The Election Commission's special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar has sparked fear among citizens. The voters who have been added to the list since 2003 have to submit proof to back their date of birth and place of birth. In effect, their citizenship. Village after village, town after town. People are worried they will be removed from the voter list. And all communities are equally affected.
सरकार के कहेंगे कि हमको वो सब नहीं है, हम कहाँ से लावें, कहाँ से वो, हम न पढ़े हैं न लिखे हैं, मूर्ख आदमी है, बूढ़ सूढ़ है, हमारे बाल बच्चा सब है गया गुजरा, हम कहाँ से लाएंगे वो सब पुरुष हम सबसे नहीं बन सकता। कैसे साबित हम करेंगे? हम जैसे हैं वैसे ही रहेंगे, या नहीं रह देगा सरकार तो चली जाएंगे।
Most people have Aadhaar card and voter card, but both are not accepted in the current revision.
हमारे पास तो एक सरकार की प्रूफ, एक तो आधार कार्ड है, वो पहचान पत्र है। बाप दादा की टाइम से जो है, हम लोग छोटे थे तो उसी टाइम से नहीं था, तो वो कहाँ से ला करके दिया जाए? परेशानी बढ़ी हुई, ये सब किस्त तो बराबर निकालते निकालते परेशानी बढ़ गई। रोज़ कमाते हैं, रोज़ खाते हैं, आइए ये लाइए वो लाइए, तो बच्चा इधर भूखा मर जाए, उधर ढूंढते रहिए, है तो नहीं।
The situation is the same in Muzaffarpur.
मेरा पति के आ गया है, मेरा नहीं आया। बोले हैं जाके सुबह सर के, तब बोले कि जे आप कहाँ आके लौट दिए।
हमारे नाम काट ले है, बेटा पुतो के है, हमारे नाम काट।
आप ही का नाम काट दिया। पिछली बार वोट गिराई थी।
हाँ।
Some who voted in the previous elections claim their names are missing now.
आप 1 से लेकर 26 जुलाई तक टाइम दिए। आप 26 दिन में कह रहे हैं जनता को कि जहां से हो तहां से पूरा प्रूफ जमा कीजिए। आपका काम जो 15 साल 20 साल से जो अभी सोनपुर वाला पुल जो अटका हुआ है, क्या आपने बना लिया? आप 26 दिन से जनता का काम के लिए मांग रहे हैं कि 26 दिन में पूरा बायोडाटा दो। आपका तो 15 साल में काम नहीं होता।
The documents accepted by the EC include birth certificate, matriculation certificate, passports and other government documents. But many citizens don't have them and fear they won't be able to get the papers in time to meet the deadline. Bureau Report, India Today.